Hey guys, I have an amazing question for you. Here it is. We have given x raised to power x is equals 5 raised to power 50. Here are the options. If you have this type of problem, then what we're gonna do is just look at the exponents first. Okay, so here 5 0 50, so we can break this 50 in terms of 25. How we can do it? Okay, its solution is it's x raised to power x is equals 5 whole square into, we can also write 50 as 2 into 25. Okay, so in the next step what we get is it's a 5 whole square, it's a raised to power 25. Okay, so 5 into 5 is 25, so 25 its exponent will be 25. So in this side it will become same, x raised to power x. Okay, so here, so what we get is finally from this we get the value of x, that is x is equal 25 is our final answer, that is this one. Thanks for watching.